Throughout the height of the pandemic, it seemed like the rich were only getting richer. Certainly, that was the case for Cathie Wood, one of the most successful investors throughout the period. In this video, I'll take you through 3 stocks that Wood is a big fan of that might be worth exploring for yourself. Just before I do though, let's recap her efforts over the past couple of years and get an insight into the woman herself. Her flagship ARK Innovation ETF returned more than 152% to investors in 2020 and continued to climb as the pandemic waned in 2021. Wood is the founder, CEO and CIO, or Chief Investment Officer, of ARK. Prior to her tenure at Tupelo Capital, she worked for 18 years with Jennison Associates LLC as Chief Economist, Equity Research Analyst, Portfolio Manager and also Director. She started her career in Los Angeles, California at the Capital Group as an assistant economist. Now, with all that said, let's now take a look at the top 3 Cathie Woods stocks to explore, beginning with Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia Corporation is a US-based technology giant that specializes in high-performance computing, graphics processing units, and deep learning ignited modern artificial intelligence. Nvidia processors cater to 4 target markets: data centers, gaming, professional visualization, and automotive. Founded by Chris Malachowski, Jensen Huang, and Curtis Preem in 1993, Nvidia has its headquarters in Santa Clara in California. On July 28, Nvidia closed the day of trade at $179.84 a share, up by 1.09%. Nvidia shares have surged by 15.71% on a monthly basis as of the 28th of July, and over the last 6 months, they've declined around 26.55%. The reading for a year-to-date basis, though, is a little bit worse, declining by 40.25% as of the 26th of July. General Motors. General Motors builds, markets and designs cars, crossovers, trucks and automobile parts. Additionally, it also provides various vehicle protection accessories, parts, maintenance, automotive financing services, and satellite radios. Its common stocks are traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the GM symbol. The company also plans to become carbon neutral by 2040, and recently, General Motors announced that it would be launching a Chevrolet Tracker SUV in Argentina. On the 28th of July, General Motors shares closed the day's trade at $35.74, up by 3.09%. GM shares have surged 6.85% on a monthly basis as of July 28. Longer-term outlooks, though, have been far less impressive. Over the past 6 months, the shares have declined by 32.22%, whilst on a year-to-date basis, there's been a drop of 41.57%. McCormick Company Incorporated. McCormick Co, listed on the New York Stock Exchange under MKC, is a distributor and producer of flavorings, spices, and much more. The company is headquartered in Maryland in the United States. McCormick Co markets, distributes, and manufactures flavored products such as herbs, spices, seasonings, extracts, flavorings, and various other specialty food products for the global food industry. On July 28, McCormick Co shares closed the day's trade at $87.53, up by 2.49%. McCormick & Co shares have surged 2.22% on a monthly basis as of the 28th of July. Longer term though, the picture is a little less promising, with the 6-month performance seeing a decline of 12.74% and the year-to-date performance showing a decrease of 8.65% as of July 28. So there you have it, 3 of Cathie Woods' highlighted stocks that are worth checking out. Which ones interest you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share the video. For more content, you can subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon. I'm James, reporting for Cowkind.